If you're planning to study abroad and looking for a fully funded scholarship program, this video is for you. Today I will walk you through how to apply for Stipendium Hungaricum Scholarship step by step, including the eligibility, required documents, and the online process, as well as the tips to enhance your application. Make sure to watch until the end of the video. Hello everyone, welcome to the video. For those who haven't known me yet, my name is Viengson Sitipon. I'm a master's student with Stipendium Hungaricum here in Hungary. What is Stipendium Hungaricum? The Stipendium Hungaricum is a scholarship program funded by the Hungarian government. It provides full tuition, monthly stipend, dormitory or accommodation support, and health insurance for international students across bachelor's, master's, PhD, and non-degree programs in Hungary. To be eligible to apply for this scholarship program, you must come from a partner country and apply to your sending partner, such as the Ministry of Education or the National Scholarship Committee. You can apply for bachelor's, master, PhD, one-time master or preparatory programs depending on your qualifications. The basic required documents you need to complete your application include valid passport, motivation letter, transcripts and diploma, proof of language proficiency, medical certificate, letters of recommendation is mainly for master and PhD, research plans for PhD, portfolio if required for art-related program, and you have to double-check with your sending partner because the requirements document can be varied. The application is now opened, and the deadline to submit the application is 15 January 2026 at 2 p.m. Before this deadline, make sure you have submitted your application to TPF and to your sending partner. And then 28 February 2026, first selection point for the technical check and nomination process. And then 15 March 2026, the submission deadline of recommendation letter, but this is only for the self-financed student. And then middle of March to end of May 2026, this will be the second selection point. After you pass the first selection, so this will be your second selection. During this selection, you will get the email from your university, the invitation for your interview from your selected universities. And then end of June or middle of July 2026, you will get the notification about the selection results. And then if you pass the selection, if you have been selected for the scholarship, then you will be process your visa application between July and August. And then after you finish all the application for your visa and have everything completed, and then until 30 September 2026, then you will have to travel to Hungary and start your studies. To apply for the scholarship, you have to register your account. So go to the Stipendium Hungaricum Scholarship official website, and then on the top right you will see sign in and register. Click on, and then if you are a new application, so click I am a new applicant, and then enter your email, and then click register. After you click register, and then you will receive an email. You have to click on the link on your email, click to register, and then you have to complete your application. After you log in, here will be the inside interface of your online application. On the left-hand side, you will see 5 programs, browse institutions, my application, access, offers, interviews, tasks. So the first thing you have to do is to find your program study. You can find by the program names, for example, business, and choose by type, bachelor's, master's, and doctoral, and click find the program. Here the results of your finding, and when you see your desired program, so click on apply now, and after you click on apply now, so this will be inside your application online. You will have to fill up your information, your profile here, your name, your passport, your general information, date of birth, and your contact details here, and your education. Make sure to list all your education from your high school, your secondary school, up to your current degree study, and then your language, and your native language, and then your English proficiency. Next, the employment section. In this section, you have to add all your work experience here. And next, the activities section. This section, they will ask you to add the activity that related to your studies. Only add the activity that you think will support your application. If those activities will not have any impact for your application, so you don't need to add them here. Next, residence section. This section you will have to enter information about your stays abroad. If you stay abroad 1 month or more. If not, you don't need to add any information here. Next, the reference section. This section you have to add your referee's full name, your referee's email address. This section, after you add all the information of your referees, they will send an invitation email to your referees, and then they will ask your referee to upload the recommendation for you. It will be automatically, but you have to make sure that you inform your referees before adding their information here. Next, the motivation section. This is the most important section for the application. You have to write at least 1,500 characters, but not more than 4,000 characters. In this section, you have to write motivation. Make sure that your motivation answers the question why you are a suitable candidate for this application, for these programs. And make sure that you cover some points of the questions provided here. Why you have chosen to apply for this program? Why did you apply to study in Hungary? Make sure to cover all these questions here. And next, document sections. You have to upload all required documents here. For example, your diploma studies, your certificate of your degrees, the transcript, your passport here. Next will be the checklist section. This section will make sure that you have uploaded all the documents. And then next, the other section. Other section, they will ask information source. Where did you hear about this scholarship program? For example, from your friends, family, university website, something like this. And then they will ask if you are not nominated in the Stipendium Hungaricum Scholarship program, are you interested in applying to study in Hungary by fee-paying student or not? If yes, you tick yes. If not, then click no. Please do not consider my applications as fee-paying application any further. After you have completed all the application and upload all the required documents here, you can click submit your application here. Thanks for watching until the end of the video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I wish you a successful with your application and hope to see you soon in Hungary.